let's start it over again. My name is Mariska Blijtek, and I'm the CEO of Carapace Biopolymers. So I'm incredibly excited to share our story with you today, but I'd like to start by painting a less rosy picture. And that is that in agriculture, we are currently addicted to the use of single-use plastics. In our soils, currently we are building up microplastic pollution, and adding to this is, amongst other, seed coatings, in which we put 13,000 tons in our soils and food chains every year. Luckily, the EU is catching on, and as of 2028, there will be a full ban on using microplastic generating coatings on seeds. However, this is creating an additional problem, and that is, we like using seed coatings. They actually are very useful. We can use them for adding boosters, we can use them for additional storage, but also, as you can see on the picture, by incorporating pretty colors to it, which help us identify certain types of seeds. So that is why at Carapace, we developed a portfolio of fully biodegradable seed coatings, which is a platform technology that's currently in the process of being patented. On top of that, our solution is also fully bio-based, making it fully in line with the microplastic ban from the European Union. Adding to it, our coatings also ensure better germination and vigor, and we are in line with active ingredients already existing in the industry, but we're also working at the forefront of innovation by incorporating biostimulants. So we are ready for the transition, and we want to scale fast. So I'm here today to ask you, we are looking for seed producers who are interested in making co-creations. So please feel free to reach out. We have a booth. And then please, let's help us to make the right choice. Thank you very much.
So Mariska, I think you get the honor of hopefully throwing that box to somebody. Who has a question for Mariska?
Or potentially injuring and getting my first lawsuit.
That's a risk. It's soft enough. Don't worry.
All right. Anyone I can throw it to?
Well, I don't hope you throw it to me. But
I feel I intimidated people by the throwing aspect.
Then maybe softly bump me, and then I will ask the question. So Mariska, which application or seed are we going to find your first actual application in?
Well, a very good question, and I understand the question. I cannot divulge that because we're currently discussing a commercial feasibility study. But to make you understand our approach to this market, the seed market is very broad in terms of pricing. So we are currently aiming the higher priced seeds, which for us is the best way to scale up. And then when we reach scale, then also our costs will drop and we can approach other markets.
So that will be the bombshell that we get to share maybe on the next Accelerate demo day.
That is indeed our projected plan. So
great.
Thank you for the great question.
Thank you so much. Our time, unfortunately, is already up.
Shall I give this just to be sure?
Yeah, let's just keep it here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Mariska.